Halo from Pulsar turns your smartphone into a universal remote control for your entire home. Lock and unlock your doors remotely. Control your lights from anywhere. Turn appliances on and off. Save money by managing your thermostat. Arm or disarm your alarm system and receive notifications so you know who's coming home. Create scenes like Arrive Home, where one touch of a button triggers a whole sequence of events. If that's not convenient enough, Halo's fully integrated with Amazon Echo.
Alexa, tell SmartLink to turn on the fireplace.
Setting fireplace to on.
Keep an eye on your home from anywhere with our industry-leading cameras, featuring high-definition video resolution, night vision, and two-way voice, so you can stay in contact with your kids, your pets, or even your elderly parents. Halo's doorbell cam with motion detection can let you know when your kids are home or guests arrive. It can also warn you when there's danger at the door. Halo's higher level of DIY starts with professional-grade security, fully equipped with Z-Wave, one of the most advanced and simple-to-use smart home communications platforms. The Halo advantage is having your security, automation, and video surveillance all integrated into one system. This integration is what sets Halo apart from the competition. Wireless technology and pre-programming makes Halo simple. If you can stick up a sensor, screw in a light bulb, and download an app, you can install your Halo system. So don't get stuck in long-term contracts or pay hundreds more for systems that do far less. You take control and have security on your terms. Automate your home the way that you want, with a system that takes complicated and expensive and makes it simple and affordable. Pulsar's Halo.